We believe the first person ever to make $1 trillion will be not Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. We believe the first person ever to make $1 trillion personal fortune will be Changpeng Zhao. With Bitcoin soaring prices and it being the future of finance, and declining prices of tech stocks made us believe that only Changpeng Zhao will be the first trillionaire. Changpeng Zhao founding Binance and making $96 billion in just 4 years. We at Business Chronicles tell the stories of extraordinarily successful people. Please subscribe to our channel to help us in making more videos. Very few people have heard the name Changpeng Zhao, yet as of January 2022, he is the 11th richest person on Earth, with an estimated net worth of over $96 billion according to Bloomberg Billionaires Index. He made all his fortune of $96 billion within just 4 years. He sold his house in 2014 to go all in on crypto, does not own any car or any fancy stuff like expensive watches, yachts, etc. In 2017, he founded the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. Binance annual trading volume in 2021 was $7.7 trillion, which is much larger than Stock Exchange and Shanghai Stock Exchange combined annual volume. Another fun fact of Binance is that its 2021 profit was $3.26 billion, which is more than the profit of the United Kingdom's second-largest bank, Barclays, and even more than profit of Germany's largest bank, Deutsche Bank. That is not all. Barclays was founded in the year 1690, which makes it 331 years old bank, while Deutsche Bank was founded in the year 1869, making it 152 years old. Now compare that with Binance, which was founded in late 2017, making it just 4 years old. In 1977, Changpeng Zhao was born in Jiangsu, China. Both his parents were teachers and his father worked as a university instructor. Shortly after Changpeng's birth, his father was exiled to rural areas due to his bourgeoisie ideas. In 1989, at the age of 12, he moved with his parents to Vancouver, Canada. To keep his family afloat, Changpeng Zhao took on various odd jobs from flipping burgers at McDonald's to working overnight shifts at a gas station. At the age of 16, he started coding, and in 2000, he graduated in computer science from McGill University, Montreal. Changpeng Zhao was very good at coding. He done his internship Tokyo creating software of matching trade orders on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Later, he done same for New York Stock Exchange. In 2001, he got job in Bloomberg's trade book where he developed software for futures trading. Within next 2 years, he was promoted 3 times and he was leading New Jersey, London, and Tokyo teams. In 2005, Changpeng Zhao resigned from the Bloomberg's trade book to create his own company in Shanghai, which he named Fusion Systems. The company provided IT solutions and business consultancy for stockbrokers. He also built several high-frequency trading systems for stockbrokers. In 2013, during poker game, he learned about Bitcoin from a venture capitalist. During several meetings with well-known Bitcoin evangelists like Roger Ver and Ben Reeves, he decided to leave day-to-day operations at Fusion Systems and joined Bitcoin wallet company Blockchain.info as a third employee. As head of development for 8 months and was responsible for development of the company wallet. He also worked at another crypto exchange, OKCoin, as CTO for less than a year, which was at that time the top crypto exchange. In 2014, he sold his apartment to buy 1,500 Bitcoins, at that time costed $900,000, which at the peak of Bitcoin were worth $105 million. In 2015, he founded BG Tech, which created crypto and stock exchange systems provider. After bouncing around prominent crypto projects, Changpeng Zhao decided to establish his own crypto exchange, which will be the fastest crypto exchange with 1.4 million transactions per second capability. In 2017, crypto exchange Binance was established. The funds were raised at the peak of crypto boom. He raised $15 million from initial coin offering, also known as ICO. Within 6 months of Binance launch, it became the world's largest crypto exchange with 6 million users. Binance Growth is unbelievable. If it continues to grow like it had done in the past and with the support of crypto boom, who knows? Binance can be the largest business on planet Earth, making Changpeng Zhao a trillionaire? Who knows? Binance was launched July 2017, and at the end of the year it had 1.5 million users with $7.5 million profit. In 2018, the users grown to 13.3 million, and its annual profit was $850 million. In 2019, the total users were about 16.5 million, and profit dropped to $570 million. In 2020, Binance total users reached at 21.5 million, and it had $5.5 billion revenue with total $900 million profit. In 2021, Binance total users reached 28.6 million, and its annual revenue reached $20 billion with $3.26 million profit. Binance made several acquisitions. Some of them were very high profile, like Binance acquired CoinMarketCap, which for $400 million in 2020. CoinMarketCap provides cryptocurrency prices, volume, charts, market cap, and rankings. Other acquisitions include crypto debit card provider Swipe, popular crypto wallet Trust Wallet, Hong Kong-based crypto asset trading platform Jax for undisclosed sums. In 2019, Binance acquired India's largest crypto exchange WazirX for estimated sum of $5 to $10 million. In the same year, Binance also acquired Beijing-based blockchain data startup DappReview. In 2020, Binance acquired Australian-based startup Travel by Bit for $2.5 million. Within months, Travala.com was merged with Travel by Bit. In the same year, Binance acquired controlling stake in little-known Indonesian crypto exchange Toko Crypto. In 2021, Binance acquired 18% stake in Singapore-regulated private securities exchange HIG Exchange. Binance is reputable crypto exchange, but due to certain nature of crypto, Binance is under investigations in several countries. In 2021, U.S. Department of Justice and IRS started investigations on allegations of money laundering and tax offenses. In the same year, UK FCA also started investigations on similar charges. Japan also warned Binance that it was not allowed to operate in Japan. Thailand's SEC warned Binance for operating without a license. Singapore also ordered Binance to stop providing payment services and to cease soliciting business from Singapore residents, as it does not have an appropriate license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Currently, Binance headquarters is located at Singapore. Due to tightening of local regulations, Changpeng Zhao is looking to move Binance to alternate location. Dubai is one being considered. In 2017, when Binance was launched, Bitcoin price was approximately $3,300. Bitcoin at peak last year was almost $70,000. That is around 2,000% increment. Now let's talk about BNB Coin. BNB Coin, also known as Binance Coin. It was launched as part of ICO where if you buy and hold BNB, you will have 50% discount on all trades in Binance Exchange. BNB costed around 10 cents. At peak, it costed $670. That is how Changpeng Zhao's Binance made several people rich. Let's say you have invested $1,000 in 2017. It would be worth $6.7 million at its peak price. Want to become a millionaire in just 4 years? Invest $200 in 2017 on Binance and you are a millionaire in 2021. Changpeng Zhao's eager to learn computers and coding made him today what he is. Working at right companies at right time with right skills were the keys to his success. Resigning from established job at Bloomberg and taking risks like starting his own venture Fusion Systems show he is risk-taking and he do what he loves most. He made $96 billion in just 4 years. Who knows that he will be one of the richest person on earth or may be the first to have $1 trillion net worth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this.